Is this thing even on? Hi guys, welcome to my Curly Affair channel. I'm Julie and I'm so excited to be finally putting out videos. I've wanted to for a while, but you know, I've been making excuses. Please let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions, put them down in my comments. And if you'd rather prefer to get a hold of me on Instagram, my handle's up here. Still have not figured this out at all. I really want it to stay poofy, and it never does. Anyway, here you go. Stay tuned. Enjoy, you guys. So as you can see, my hair really just needed a wash day in general. Like, just look at it. No, this had to be done today. These are just my oils of choice. You guys can use whatever you like. You can use all three. You can use one that you particularly like. And this is seriously my only workout for the whole week. I start with the ends and then I slowly brush higher and higher up my hair. Be soft, be gentle with it. You don't want it to break. Love your hair. Now I'll section my hair. It doesn't really matter if it's not like equally split apart, but just to make sure that the oil does get onto your scalp. I put all the oils in this bottle and then I put them in the microwave for a few minutes just so that they would heat up and mix together. For some reason, I always forget to massage my scalp at the end of it, so I just do it after each section that I've done. My ends are always just a little bit drier, so I like to pay more attention to them towards the end. And this portable hood dryer is my best friend whenever I want to do an oil treatment or do a hair mask. I really love this shampoo. After dyeing my hair blonde and then going back to brown, it's really helped my hair feel a lot less brittle. I'm using this conditioner right now because the Shea Moisture one that I usually use is a bit too expensive for me, and this is better for my budget and it works just as well. Microfiber towel because it's just a lot kinder on your hair than a regular towel. These are the products that I'll use for my wash and go. I am still getting used to the Twisted Sista gel, but we'll see how that goes. My facial expression is not saying good things here. This is just coconut and almond oil mixed with some water to help seal in the product. This is my diffuser. I love it so much. It helps define my curls and give it more volume. After putting my hair in a headscarf overnight, I picked it out in the morning. I used almond oil and Cantu's coconut oil shine and hold mist to refresh my curls in the morning. And there we are. I hope you guys found this interesting. You learned something that you might not have known before. If anyone's curious about why I started this Curly Affair channel or my Instagram, you can get onto my blog, take a look, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.